Hello, my name is Diego. This is activity my life daily, my daily life. And I have to know in another table. Uh, Window it is the now to server. Okay, let's go. My daily life routine. The first thing I did this morning was get out at 6 a.m. Then I went to shower, left the bathroom, and had breakfast. Washed the dishes and the breakfast in the salesman. I let my dog return home better. 89 amen. 2 9 amen. On the green area near my house. Later to my now work today. See my dog on the way. Then I want to take a rifle from the home in the mail that is the front and the Transmilenio station. I want to pay the bill in the center on the station inside the mounts. I was able to divide my receipt on the Mount Pay Center and the look in the transportation on the highway. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.